Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Aviator. The Lincoln Aviator is the luxury division's mid-size sport utility vehicle. Based on the Ford Explorer, the Aviator combines a rugged, truck-based platform with a smooth luxury car ride. Properly equipped, Aviator can tow up to 7,300 pounds, significantly more than most imported SUVs in its size class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.